Hey kiddos! Thank you for watching this video. It's your Bridges Chapter 1 review. Remember, your quiz is on Friday. So let's start first by reviewing our vocabulary. We talked about prepositions of place. So we're going to start at the top and we're going to work our way down and around over to the right and up. So let's guess the word. Look at the cat. Where is the cat? The cat is in the box. What about this one here? What is the correct word? It's behind. Next is between and on. Next to, now we're going up, under and in front of. So remember, all of these words are called prepositions of place, and they tell you where is the thing. We can ask it in a question. Where is the? You can say, where is my? Where is your? Where is her and his? This word, you can change it, but the answer always follows the same order. So it's, then preposition of place. So it's under the what? It's under the desk, or it's in my pencil case. Okay? We're going to do a true or false game. So I want you to look at the picture and just tell me true or false based on what you see. Okay? So true or false, the plant is next to the bookshelf. Now you have to see, where is the plant? Where is the bookshelf? Here they are. So I'm going to say false. This is not true, right? Okay, next one. The books are between the apples and the flowers. You can see down here, that is true. Good. The baseball is in front of the basketball. Do you see it? It's over there in the corner on the far right. Is this true? The baseball is in front of the basketball? No, false. It's behind, right? The basketball is in front of the baseball. That's switched. Tricky. Okay, look over here. The red book is under the purple book. That's true. The computer is on the desk. Yes, true. And finally, the milk is on the ground next to the cookies. Okay, so let's think about this one. I see the milk is next to the cookies, but are they on the ground? Ooh, no, they are on the table, so that's false. For it to be true, you need the whole information, the whole sentence to be true, so this would be false. Okay, the next vocabulary word is everyone. Okay, so everyone, we're talking about one group or every single one person. So it's a word to mean a lot of people, but it's actually singular. It's like one group or every single one person. So we use is. For example, everyone is different. Everyone is happy. Everyone is awesome. Okay? The last one is, we know what this word is. We do this. We practice this in PE class. It's line up. We can ask the question, what is everyone doing right now? Right now. That's present progressive, okay? Now this will not be on your Bridges quiz, but I just want to take some time to review what is the present progressive with you. The present progressive You need two things. To say what is happening right now, first you start with the be verb. And then you have the action, the verb, plus ing. So it looks like this. It starts with am, are, or is. Then you have the verb, talk, jump, try, or write, or any other kind of verb. These are just examples. And then you add ing, so talking, jumping, trying. And writing is a little special. If you see write ends in an E. And we don't usually see that, the E and the I next to each other. So when the verb ends in an E, we just take it away and we just put ing, as you can see there. So you say, I am talking. You are jumping. He is writing. This is the present progressive form, which is things that are happening right now. Okay? So let's go back to the question. What is everyone doing right now? Everyone is, and the verb is line up. So everyone is lining up. There's the be verb, and we have lining. Notice there's no E. When the verb ends in an E, we take it away. Okay? All right, let's move on. Very quickly, in social studies, we looked at what does it mean to borrow. Again, this is not going to be on your quiz, but let's just review. So, to borrow is a kind of sharing. It's when you give something to someone for some time, and then you give it back. It takes two people to borrow something. One person borrows, and the other person lends. So we call them the borrower or the lender. Okay? So, how to borrow? There are some steps that we saw in class. So, number 1, you nicely ask to borrow something. You can say, "Can I borrow your eraser, please?" Then the lender says, "Sure." Step 2, use the thing carefully. Then finally, you give it back to the lender. And don't forget to say thank you. Then the lender can say, "You're welcome." All right, that's nice. Now, in math, this is going to be on your quiz. You're going to need to write some numbers. So you can pause the video and take a careful look at these numbers. In red, I put some little special differences for those numbers on the top. Okay, so remember 40 is F-O-R-T. We don't say 5T, we say 50. Okay, so pause the video, make sure you know how to spell these numbers. Now, if we have a number like this, where we have 90 and then 4. So we write 90, and don't forget your hyphen, okay? So 94, really important. Don't forget, in between the 10s and the 1s, the 90 and the 4, you need to put your hyphen. So same thing here, 40 hyphen 3, 43, 48, 34. All right, don't forget your hyphen. All right, okay, so thank you for watching. You are awesome, and you are ready for your quiz tomorrow. All right, good night. Bye-bye, class 202.